Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. So today in the episode 7, I am going to describe you adding new document. Like in the previous session, we have understood like how to use the Mongo shell. So we have gone through two way we can use the Windows inbuilt command prompt and we can use the integrated command prompt which is provided by the MongoDB Compass tool. So that also we can use here. But for today's example, I'm going to show you the uh, with the help of Windows command prompt how we can do that. So if you want, you can do that here from the integrated command prompt as well. But for this video, I'm going to use the Windows command prompt. So let's start the Windows command prompt. So here, let's clean it first. We are going to understand like how to create the new document in a MongoDB. So let me show you the structure first. Let's suppose I'm going to have the fresh database. The database is what? My use block. So this database I have created. Now I want to see the collections. What collections we have this in this database. So here you can see we are not having this block database. Block database is not showing here because the database is empty and there is no collection and no document. That is why we are not able to see here that database. So I'm going to create one collection there. So first time we don't need to create a collection in separately because what it does, so if you are inserting the new document, that collection is going to be created automatically. So how we can do that? So to use the current database, we have to use this sequence of command db. So this db connects with the current database and use the name of the collection. So I'm going to create one collection that is post, and in that post I'm going to insert one document. So this function we can use. So this way you have to use like the first db is denoting the current database and the name of the collection. After that, insert one function if we have to use, and in this function we have to pass the object of document. So the object either we can create here or we can create in notepad and we can copy paste here. So let's suppose this post table or post collection is going to have few fields like title. So first title, my first post, and then after I'm going to give the details, or you can say description. So we can give the description, my first post details, description, and we can create it. So you can see it is showing acknowledgement is equal to true and the object is this is the object ID which is automatically being assigned by the MongoDB. So let me show you, this is in MongoDB UI. So here after refreshing, so you can see the block database is showing. This is because this time we have at least one document. That is why we are able to see this database here. So here you can see the post collection is showing, and inside the post collection we have one document. So this is my post and the description. So this is the simple straightforward you can say the document we have created. If you want to create multiple documents at a time, then how we can do that? So for that you need to give uh, multiple document there in the command, but you have to use another function like db dot post dot insert many. So this time we have to use insert many because we are going to insert multiple records at the same time. So inside this, instead of giving single object, we are going to give the array of the object like this. So in the first object, I'm going to give title. So title demo post, and the second property is description. So the description is demo post details. In a similar way, you can give the information for second post. So again, the title, hello world, whatever you want, you can give. Just for the simplification, I am taking very normal example here. So you can give it like that, description, and here you can give hello world details like that. So once you will press enter, so guys, you can see previously we have received only one object acknowledgement because one document we have inserted, but this time we got two object ID because we have inserted two records at the same time. Now let's see in the UI it is showing there or not. So simply you have to refresh it. So there you can find the refresh here. Oh, let me show you. This way you can refresh it and you can see here. So the new documents are inserted properly. So guys, this way you can see how we can create multiple, how we can insert multiple documents in the same command. So if you want to insert in nested documents, so how we can do that? So let me show you. So instead of it is my recommendation, instead of typing the command directly in the command prompt, we should type the query in a notepad, and after that we have to copy paste it. So let me do that. So I am going to start the notepad, and here I am going to write the query for nested document. So how we can do that? So simply db and the name of the collection post, then insert many. So inside this we have to give the multiple, or you can say the nested document. So the first document we have like this title demo post for nested document. So this is the title, and then description we have to give. So let me increase the font size so that you guys can see. I hope it is clearly visible to all. Description. So here we have to give the description like this, demo description. And if we want to add some metadata, so we can have the metadata here also, meta. And in this we have, so guys, this point you have to note, we are going to create object inside the object. So this is the place where we are going to achieve the nested document. It means the document is nothing but the object, but here what we are doing, we are inserting new object inside any other object. So this is called as the nested object or nested document. So here in the meta we can give other information like author. So author, let me give the name Ramesh, and we can give the category. So the category is simple demo post like that, and other information also you can give. So you can see, so this query is prepared. Just copy it and pass it to the command prompt. Let me show you. Just copy it and sorry, it is pasted two times, so that is why it is saying missing something error. Let me paste it at least only once. Again it is pasted twice. Actually my mouse is not working properly. Uh, we are doing some mistake, I guess. Let me see. So here you can see like the structure will look like in the last example we were missing the last braces, that is why that error was coming. So simply you have to write the db post insert one, and this way you have to give the name, keep your value title demo1 description like that. And here you have to notice here, so we are going to insert new object inside the object. So meta is the new object, so inside the meta we have two property, author and category. So this is the new object. So this way you can see this is the example of nested document. So let me run it first. Yes, it is inserted properly. So we got the new inserted object ID. Let me show you in the compass tool how it is looking there. So after refresh, you can see the blog database. Inside this, you can find this post. And this way, guys, here you can see we have this particular document, and inside the document, again we have the meta object. So this is the uh, way like how we can add the nested object in the particular uh, document. So this way it will look like. So here the meta, author and category. So this is the child document, and the parent document is this one. So one more point you have to notice here, we are going to have only one object ID for the parent document. So in the we are not going to have the document ID for the child document. So this is what about the nested document, how we can create it. So for this episode, this much, and in the next episode, I'm going to show you like how we can perform search in the inserted document, like how we can use the find command and other where condition, sort command, limit command. So this all we are going to understand in the episode number 8. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.